What if you were able to press a button and drive a swarm of free buyer traffic to any link of your choice, all by tapping into a 110 million visitor source that virtually everyone else is ignoring? You would finally have the traffic you need to make commissions on sites like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and JVZoo. If that sounds good to you, then listen up. Hi there, it's Venkata here. As a guy who's generated millions of dollars online, I know what it really takes to make money. Now sadly, most overcomplicate things, but I'm going to break down just how easy it can be. You only need two things to succeed online: traffic and something to sell. Now, even if you do get traffic, it's not enough. You need buyer traffic that has money and is interested in what you're selling. And to solve this problem for good, we've developed Swift. Swift is the first ever app that taps into an untapped source of 110 million buyers to send a raging river of traffic to any link of your choice. Virtually nobody is using this Goliath of a traffic source. Here's how easy it is to start driving traffic to your links. Step 1. Grab a copy of Swift by clicking any of the buttons on this page. Do this now, as we'll be raising the price shortly. Step 2. Enter the link or URL you want traffic sent to. This can be anything, so the possibilities are endless. And Step 3. Activate Swift to start auto-driving traffic. It's as easy as flipping on a light switch. You'll be able to start extracting a big slice of traffic from 110 million buyers. That's all there is to it. We've made it so simple that even a child could get traffic with Swift. All without the nonsense. No making videos, no making content, no Facebook, no Twitter, no Instagram, no TikTok, no domain, no hosting, no extra fees, no nonsense. Swift is an all-in-one platform that lets you generate traffic without spending anything extra. Now, what I must stress here is that this isn't any ordinary traffic. This is traffic that turns into what we all want: profits. In fact, I've been making profits to the tune of $1,000 or more per day with traffic generated by Swift. Proof. And that's why I'm so excited to finally release this to the public. Let me ask you, with the amount of traffic you could be generating with Swift, how much of a price tag would you put on that? Well, normally it's not uncommon to pay $2 per click for one visitor of traffic on platforms like Facebook or Google. So let's run some numbers. 100 clicks per day for 30 days equals $6,000. 200 clicks per day for 30 days equals $12,000. 500 clicks per day for 30 days equals $30,000. Crazy, right? This is exactly why so many struggle to make the money they want online. With that being said, we could easily charge $297 per month for Swift, and that would still be a tiny fraction of the price that you normally pay for traffic. But you won't pay $297 a month, not $197 per month, not $97 per month, not $47 per month, not even monthly at all. All you'll pay is the price for a meal of 2 at McDonald's. Isn't that a small price to pay for the finest traffic generation app in the world? But we will be pulling down this discount soon. To ensure that this traffic source doesn't become too saturated, we will be closing our doors at any moment. That means if you come back later, you could forever lose the chance to get your hands on Swift, and that may have serious consequences on your business. Can you really afford to miss out? I'm not talking about the price. I'm talking about being able to create a better future for yourself. Time will continue going by, and the sooner you act, the sooner you'll be able to start getting traffic. The best thing for you to do right now is to click the button below and grab your copy of Swift while it's still around. I'll see you on the inside.